Now, you can, of course, implement all kinds of other data structures using just tables in Lua. If you can think of the data structure, you can probably implement it. Some things are a little bit easier than others. We're not going to be covering all those other types of data structures in this particular course, but using the facilities that you have with the table and the ability to treat it as an array, you can probably imagine that doing something like a queue would be possible by adding things onto the end of a list or an array. You could do something like a stack by pushing something always onto the front of it and always pulling something off of the front of it. You might have to get a little bit creative to create some of the more complicated data structures, but a table really is all that you need. I've found that with Lua, you can solve a lot of problems just by using that table. It's a very, very flexible data structure. Oftentimes, when I work with other programming languages, after having to work with Lua, I think that there's a lot of extra stuff there when that general all-purpose table is very useful. And if you do a search for different data structure types in Lua, you can find very simple implementations of how you can use a table to create just about any of the classic data structures that you might be used to.